Welcome to Practice Weaving. You can use different materials for weaving, and weaving can be used to make baskets, protecting cases, and even shoes. Discover the traditional materials and weaving techniques of your own area. The tools you need to make the paper baskets. You can use recycled cardboard. Please note the possible colors. Using a ruler, cut 12 strips of 2 centimeters wide and approximately half meter long strips. Then start weaving. Place 6 strips side by side. You can hold them down with some weight. Take the 7th strip and weave it over one, under one, over one, and so on. Place the 8th strip alongside the 7th strip, and then all the rest of the strips. When all 12 strips are in place, check that the measurement from corner to corner is the same in both directions. And then fasten with clips. Then make a corner, 3 strips and 3 strips, with a corner between them. You can use a ruler to help you fold the strips. Make all the corners now. Now you can see the shape of the bottom of the basket. Lift the 2 neighboring walls upwards and weave their strips together, starting at the corner. Use the clips to help prevent the work for unraveling. Weave all the strips together, starting from each corner. Tighten the weave to an even tightness. Choose a pair of strips and fold the strips diagonally over each other. The lower strip is put on first. You put it underneath the first strip where it can go. The top one doesn't go from the first but to the second, underneath the second strip. Proceed to direction of the top strip. Then fold the next one. And again the lower goes first. And the top strip to the second possible place. If there's two strips, go underneath both of them. And then just continue like this. You can weave the strips as far as they will go, or you can cut them all to the same length. Cut the strip before pushing it under the last strip. Make sure it's long enough to stay underneath the strip. If some strip has been too short, you can put a patch strip on it. Then the basket is finished. You can adjust the corners a little bit if you wish. With more strips and different arrangement of the strip, you can get a bigger and different looking basket.